The iPhone 17 Pro Max is here, and Apple has once again raised the bar in smartphone innovation. Packed with next-gen technology, a groundbreaking camera system, and industry-leading performance, this flagship device is designed for users who demand the absolute best. But the real question is the iPhone 17 Pro Max truly the ultimate smartphone? Or is it just another iteration in Apple's ever-growing lineup? In this in-depth breakdown, we'll cover everything from design upgrades and performance enhancements to camera improvements and battery life. 1. The most premium iPhone yet, new materials and design evolution. Apple has taken premium smartphone design to the next level with the iPhone 17 Pro Max. While last year's model introduced titanium, Apple is now incorporating aerospace-grade materials that not only improve durability but also reduce weight. Fire key design changes. Heavy checkmark, lighter and stronger titanium alloy, enhanced for scratch resistance and better grip. Heavy checkmark, slimmer bezels, more screen, less frame. Heavy checkmark, matte glass finish, a smoother, fingerprint-resistant texture. Heavy checkmark, new color options. Expect shades like titanium blue, graphite black, and a possible product red variant. Apple has also refined the curved edges, making the device more comfortable to hold. Despite its massive 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR display. 2. Display. The brightest and smoothest yet. Apple has perfected the display experience with a brighter, smoother, and more power-efficient screen on the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Light bulb. What's new in the display? White heavy checkmark Super Retina XDR 2.0, a new generation of OLED technology for better contrast and energy efficiency. White heavy checkmark Promotion 2.0, 1 Hz to 144 Hz adaptive refresh rate. Ultra smooth scrolling and battery-saving optimization. White heavy checkmark up to 3000 nits brightness. The brightest iPhone display ever, perfect for outdoor use. White heavy checkmark dynamic island upgrades. More functionality, better animations. With the fastest refresh rate ever on an iPhone and unmatched color accuracy. This display redefines smartphone visuals. 3. A camera system that challenges DSLRs. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is not just a smartphone camera. It's a professional photography tool. Apple has upgraded every sensor, enhanced computational photography, and introduced game-changing AI-powered features. Camera with flash, triple lens camera system. Main camera, 48MP ultra-wide sensor, f/1.4. Captures more light, better night shots. Ultra-wide lens, 12MP with macro mode. Wider field of view and better close-up shots. Periscope telephoto lens, 12MP with 10x optical zoom, a massive jump in zoom capability. What's new? Heavy checkmark AI-enhanced Smart HDR 6.0, next-gen computational photography for lifelike images. Heavy checkmark night mode 2.0, even sharper, more detailed low-light shots. Heavy checkmark spatial video for Apple Vision Pro. Record immersive 3D like videos. Heavy checkmark cinematic mode upgrades. Now supports 8K video recording at 60 FPS. Whether you're a casual smartphone photographer or a content creator, the iPhone 17 Pro Max delivers DSLR quality results. 4. A bigger leap in performance. A18 Pro chip and AI power. The A18 Pro Bionic chip inside the iPhone 17 Pro Max is Apple's fastest and smartest processor yet. This 4nm chipset is built to handle everything, from gaming to AI-driven applications, without breaking a sweat. High-voltage key performance upgrades. White heavy checkmark next-gen 4nm chipset. More efficient and 20% faster than A17 Pro. White heavy checkmark up to 2 TB storage. Ideal for ProRes videos, 3D content, and AI-generated files. White heavy checkmark, enhanced AI and machine learning. Faster Siri interactions, photo editing, and predictive text. White heavy checkmark, ray tracing for console-level gaming. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is built to compete with gaming consoles, offering smooth, high-fidelity gameplay with hardware-accelerated ray tracing. Expect buttery smooth frame rates on AAA mobile games. 5. Battery life and charging, longer and faster than ever. Apple has once again improved battery efficiency, allowing the iPhone 17 Pro Max to last longer despite its high-performance specs. Battery upgrades include heavy checkmark 5,000 mAh battery, the largest ever in an iPhone. Heavy checkmark new silicon anode battery tech, extends lifespan and charge cycles. Heavy checkmark fast charging at 40W wired and 20W MagSafe. 50% charge in just 20 minutes. Heavy checkmark reverse wireless charging, power up AirPods or other iPhones. For power users, this means even longer screen time, better standby efficiency, and faster recharging. 6. iOS 18, smarter, more intuitive, and AI-powered. The iPhone 17 Pro Max debuts with iOS 18, bringing major improvements to customization, security, and AI-driven experiences. Hammer and wrench iOS 18 new features. Heavy checkmark Siri GPT integration, a more conversational and context-aware AI assistant. Heavy checkmark AI-powered photo editing, remove objects, change backgrounds, and enhance lighting. Heavy checkmark customizable home screen widgets, more flexibility, interactive widgets. Heavy checkmark RCS messaging support, better cross-platform texting. Apple is going all in on AI, making iOS more powerful, efficient, and personalized. 7. Should you buy the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Money bag expected price, 128 gigabytes, $1,299. 256 gigabytes, $1,399. 512 gigabytes, $1,599. 1 terabyte, $1,799. 2 terabytes, $1,999. Is it worth upgrading? Heavy checkmark if you own an iPhone 15 Pro Max or older. Yes, the iPhone 17 Pro Max is a major upgrade. Heavy checkmark if you are a professional photographer or content creator. The camera system alone is worth it. Heavy checkmark if you need all-day battery life, the best performance, and AI features. It's a no-brainer. Police car light final verdict. The iPhone 17 Pro Max is more than just another smartphone. It's a powerhouse of innovation. With a next-gen display, AI-powered software, and a pro-level camera system, it stands as the ultimate iPhone experience. Fire, what are your thoughts on the iPhone 17 Pro Max? Will you upgrade? Let us know in the comments. Lightbulb for more in-depth tech reviews and updates. Subscribe to Technology Review.